welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix unable to install Scarlet app. This app could not be installed because its integrity could not be verified. If you want to install Scarlet app but face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn on Wi-Fi toggle, at least the 30 seconds you have turn it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode, at least the 30 seconds you have turn it off. And after that scroll down and search for Safari app. Scroll down and click on Safari, and from here scroll down and click on advanced option and click on website data and remove all website data. Click on remove all website data, click on remove no, and after that go back here home screen and open again iPhone and iPad setting. Scroll down and click on journal, and from here click on software update, and from here you make sure that update your iPhone and iPad. After update your iPhone and iPad, go back, scroll down and click on date and time, and make sure that turn on this toggle set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do, turn on this toggle, and after that go back, scroll down and click on VPN and device management, and from here if you have any connect VPN, what you need to do is disconnect, and after that go back, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone, then click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and change your country region. Open setting, click on Apple banner name and click on media and purchase, and click on view account and click on change country region, and click on change country region. Select any one country, select United States, and from here wait some second. US can see terms and condition, read carefully, then click on agree, and from here US can see payment method. Select your payment method. I am select none, and after that put this form, type on your street name and type on your city and select your state. I am select California, and from here put this California zip code and put your phone number, and after that click on next. After change your country region, I hope your problem will be fixed. If this video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am helping more. Thanks for watching.